Hope you are able to see my screen.
Yes.
So we have x and y values. So here we are using this. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if I talk about in a memory sense, it will store like this way:
Hmm.
0 1 0 1. And if we talk about 3, this is 0 0 1. So when you need to work on a, you can say bit label. Okay,
Hmm.
then you require bit operator. Okay, so let's understand this with the two. Means most of the cases we not use this. It's rarely used, but these are there just we are sake of understanding. We are discussing only. Okay,
Okay.
so here is converted to, you can say this 1 and is converted to 7. You can say is now it is 1 is not decimal, 7 is not decimal.
How you're doing this? Like, can you explain?
So basically, if you change this, you can say this. So now we are saying this x and y. So x is this,
Hmm.
you can say this, and
Hmm.
y. Okay. So basically, how you will do that? Let me tell you. So you can think of. Let me copy these two things. Okay.
Hmm.
So here you will write this number, two numbers. Okay. So in a AND operator, what you will do, you will check this. Makes sense?
Hmm.
So 0 0 means both are is a AND operator.
Yes.
As you know, AND is this.
Hmm.
So 0 0 means 0. Here we need to mention 0. Okay.
Hmm.
0 1
One
0.
zero.
Okay. 0 1 0 1.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yes.
That's why it's become 1.
One. Okay. Okay. Now I get it. Yeah. And for the one, it becomes seven. Yeah.
Okay. Now if this is a or. Makes sense.
Yes.
So if it's a or, then you can consider this again. Like right now, this is a AND operator. This is a result of AND operator. Now 0 0. This is only 0. Am I right?
Yes.
This will 1. And this is also 1. This is also 1. Okay.
Yeah.
So now let's check this XOR and not shift left. Okay. So
Hmm.
basically, if you shift, you can say left, 2 bit left, 2 bit right, how it will work. So that's those things. Make sense.
Hmm.
Now you understand?
Yes.
Do you
So
have? Yes.
line 88 and 89 and 90.
So here you are shifting. Here
Like,
you are shifting.
hmm.
Here you are shifting the, you can say, values or bit by right to left. Okay.
Yes.
So this is a bitwise operator. Now we will go with the ternary operator. Ternary operator is your operator which will take three parameters. Let's say result, okay,
Hmm.
is equal to, let's say, a greater than b. Then if it's true, then this value get a chance to assign to a result, okay.
Yeah.
If it's a false, then this will get a chance to assign the value. Means here you will, based on this, it will work. Condition. This is called ternary because it requires three things. One, three operand. Condition, true case, false case. Okay.
Yes.
So let's say we need to find this a not greater than b. So a is not greater, or we can say here a is a. So this is a template, string template. A is greater than b. So to write this, you have this a, okay, a and b. You can say b is greater than a, and b here, and here you can put this a. This is a way to write expression so that it can be evaluated, and this expression will be replaced with a value. Okay.
Okay.
So a,
Like whatever value we are providing, it's gonna be in the dollar curly braces.
yes. So that it will not treat as a string, it will evaluate the first expression and give a value there. Okay. Now if you check the result, it will be meaningful for you. 0 is not greater than 30.
30,
So
thirty.
actually B is a 30. So let's say A is 10, uh, B is 20. Now you need to check. 10 is not greater than. 10 is greater than 20. Greater. A is greater than B. A is not. A is not greater than. Oh, here we need to see. B is greater than A. Make sense?
Yes.
And here you can see this. The place of this 40. Now this has been changed. Okay.
Yep.
So this is a ternary operator and it can nesting also can be done here. Let's say you need to find a greater number between three. Okay.
Yes.
So how you can do that? So first to compare three number, first you will compare two number, isn't it?
Yep.
And if it's true, then you need to compare your greater number with the means another other number. Am I right?
Yeah.
Like C. So if means is greater, then you will land here. If you will land here, then you need to compare. Let's say this A greater than C. Okay. If A greater than C, then A is greater. Okay. Else here we require a, you can say this. No, this is wrong. Okay, so here this you can say. Let me show you. So this is a, you can say this, and after that this here one, and this here you can say else C is greater.
Which one?
Hold on, I'm writing. So C is greater than A, and you will write C. Okay, now this if part is done. Now we are moving to this second else part. Okay, second else part. Here we need to check again. Right now, if we are landing here, that means B is greater than A, isn't it?
Yes.
So now we will check again. Here we will check B greater than C. Okay.
Yes.
If it's a greater than, then B is greater than C, and B is here. Okay. If else C is greater than B and C. Okay.
Yeah.
So here 60 is greater than this 40. Here you are able to see. Makes sense.
Yeah.
And if it's a false, let's say make it false. Mean let's say A is greater 120. 120 is greater than 20. Okay. Let's say hold on. Yes, it's a 120 is greater than this. Okay, let's say make it 200. It's a greater. Now you are able to see. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's say 630, 660. Now it's working fine. Okay.
Yes.
So do you have any doubt or anything? Do you require any clarity there?
So for now, but if I have anything in my mind, I'm gonna ask you.
Okay. Now let me push this code for your reference. Now I need to add one more assignment for you, which you need to do. And say done with operators. So here assignment operator, this is fine. Where are assignments? Template runner, variable type. Where I write those assignment?
Um, in the main.js at the end, where are they? It should be there.
That's
Mm,
why I'm asking where are our assignment.
just let me just check because I was able to find it in the dev branch main.js. Yeah.
Okay. Now, what is next topic we need to cover? Let me check. Let me check. Mm. Mhm. Full stack, Python full stack, Python full stack. Operator and conditional. Okay. Another one is conditional. Okay. Conditional statement. Conditional statement.
If else, right?
Yes. Uh, So basically, when you need to take a decision, you need to choose, then you go with a conditional statement.
Yes.
Okay. So in this way, you have a two ways to do go. Based on a condition, you will select. As we discussed, if you have money, then you will enjoy a party. Am I right? Or delicious food. If you
Yeah.
don't have a money, you will eat a your regular food. Okay. Or if you are adult, go for vote. If you are not adult, you are not means you are not eligible for vote.
Yeah.
Okay. So first let's do a practical there. Then we will say conditional statement. First, you can say conditional statement. We say uh, condition control statement. Basic dot basic.js, and here you will say conditional statement is if else. Okay,
Yes.
if else, and if else have a flavor. If only. Okay, else if, or else if ladder, else, and here you can say if else. Then you need to choose. If it's a true, then go with this way. If not, then go with this way. You require two branches there, okay?
Yeah.
And else if you require a multiple condition, okay? And another is nested else if, okay?
Yeah.
So for this, you require a find largest number of three. You can say find, yes, you can say find student grade of a student based on marks, find number is even or this is the same which I gave you earlier. Okay,
Okay.
positive, negative, or zero. Number is positive, negative, or zero. Find you can say here is leap year or not. Find number is prime or not. Find number is palindrome or not. Find number is Armstrong or not. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect or not. Lot of things, but for now it's fine. Okay, or so let's use this, and this is one. Okay, and after that we have a, you can say this
Uh,
condition.
that one.
Which?
Find a number is even or odd. Find a leap year or not. We did this one, right? On the previous.
Yes, yes. So you need to do at a once, not to do need to repeat that again. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Switch case. In switch case is, let's say you have a means it's a replacement of else if ladder where we need to check a multiple condition. It's a and another one is switch case is there. Loops. That's also a control statement. We have
Yes.
three flavor of loops. One is this. You can say for loop. Okay. For loop, while loop, and do while loop. Then we have a, you can say, jumping statement. Jumping statement, break and continue. Okay, these are the control. Means with the help of that, you can control the flow of your program.
Uh,
Okay.
yes.
So first we will cover this if else and switch. Then if time allows, we will do the rest of the things. But you need to do practice. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's say take this. First we'll check if is true. Okay. This is a if block. Okay. If it's true. So we are able to see it's working. Okay. Right now, if it's false, then it will not work. Make sense?
Mm,
There is no output.
yeah.
Okay. So if let's say we will take that thing. If is adult, then he or she will be available for voting. Makes sense.
Yes.
Is adult, then he is applicable for available for vote. Is eligible for voting, not if select. Okay, but you want to take a decision. Hey, if is will eligible for vote, then let's say use this real condition 80. His age is you can say greater than and equal to this eligible for vote. Okay,
Yeah.
and you can say otherwise you will give a meaningful message to the this client. Client, you're not eligible. Then you will go with the if else. Makes sense.
Yeah.
But sometimes we need to take a decision. Let's say mm, we need to let's say uh, you can say age is 20. Let age is 115. So we need to compare all the three ages. Makes sense. Comparison. So what we will do, let's say age, you can say this. Let's say we will say if adult uh, greater than age. Makes sense. Then is land here inside that we are checking means is
Two if
adult.
ones, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So here we are saying is a adult is greater. Is adult is greater than age one. Makes sense.
Yes.
Else age one is greater.
Mm.
Okay. And so we don't and we're not interested. Else means age is greater. If age a- age is greater than age 1. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Else age is greater than age 1, then it's fine. Else age 1 is is greater than age. Okay.
Yeah.
This is called nested if else. Nesting. Okay.
Yes.
Any doubt or anything, any clarity you require here?
So in the first else, you just printed one, right? And in the next else, you are again
That's
saying
a wrong thing. It's a wrong. Is age one is greater is greater than age adult. Okay.
yeah,
So 20 is greater than 50.
15. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
So now let's say let obtained obtained marks. Okay.
Mm.
And in obtained marks you need to check if obtained mark greater than and equal this, then it's a grade A. Else if grade B, stuff like that. Okay.
What is else if?
Else if means if this condition is not true, then it's land here. Am I right?
Yeah.
And you are checking another condition here. Because
So
else
why
with
can't
the
we
else
write else?
earlier, whatever we saw,
Yeah.
here you cannot apply any condition. Make sense?
Okay.
Let's say understand this scenario or use case where you need to, based on a value, you need to decide what is the grade of student.
Hmm.
Grade A, grade B, grade C.
So in this one, we are checking everybody.
We are checking this obtained marks against our conditions.
Yeah.
Make sense?
If over here we only write if, then it would have worked.
Then it will check each and every.
Yeah. That's we are trying to do, right or no?
No, because here we are checking if it's true, then it will not land here. Let me show you. Okay, let me do this, remove this. Okay,
Yeah.
so now if you are able to see, let's say we will less than this will match and greater than. This is greater than and equal to. This is also match. Okay.
Match. Yeah.
85 is greater than this and this as well.
Yep.
Okay, that means both will work. But our condition is this only means student can lie in a one, you can say grade only. It cannot be lie in a two grades, isn't it?
Yes.
But here
Oh,
it's a printing out.
yeah. It's saying grade B and C, right? Mhm.
Yes, but if you apply this, then it will land in a only one. Okay.
Why is that?
Else, because in a real scenario, you require this.
No, no, like else if I'm still not understanding with the help of else if why only 80 is being printed, not 70?
You can check because it's working based on a condition
Hmm.
and it's not move ahead. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Because okay. Let me tell you. Let's say this is your this is called another term you can call this is a else if ladder. Okay. So if you find your match on a first position only, makes sense.
Hmm.
Then you will not, let's say you will get your things here only. Then you will not go beyond that. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's say it's 90. You are already get a 90, then you not go there beyond that. Makes sense.
Yeah.
So here if I say 80 and after that you have a 70 means
Hmm.
only one condition get a chance to execute, not all. Because why not? Because if it's a true, then it will get a chance to execute. If it's a false, then it will land here. Na?
Ah, okay, okay.
Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
If it's not match, then it will
So
work. Let me
after
show
when
you.
it goes to 80, it sees that it's false, then it just prints and gets out of the loop, right?
Yes, if it's not true, then it's land there. That's a
Okay.
this.
Hmm.
That's a this. This is a this here you can say. Let me show you. So this is a you can say if okay this is your true. Okay, greater. A is greater. Okay, A greater than B. Make sense?
Yeah.
So B is greater. This is a if else flow. Okay.
Yeah.
If let's say take an example of our grade one. Oh no. Grade one. Let's take this example of grade one. So here we are checking this. If A greater than and equal to 90. Makes sense.
Yeah.
Then we are saying, then we are saying, we can say A is greater or student grade is A. Grade is A. Okay.
Yeah.
Means we are good. And in the last, you are able to see mm, means it's a exit. Okay.
Yeah.
Exit. Okay. If let's say this is a true. Okay. This is true. Let's say there is another branch called false. Okay, if condition is false, means less than 80. Make sense?
Hmm.
Then it will check another condition. Okay.
Yeah.
It will check a greater than and equal to 80. Make sense?
Yeah.
Then that means if you can say greater than 80, then grade B and it will exit. Make sense?
Yeah.
If it's not, then it will continue there. Make sense?
Yeah.
Now you understand?
Yes.
With the clarity?
Yeah. Yeah. This is helping.
Okay. Else, then we dig down more with this thing. And if you can say 60, then grade C. Make sense?
Yeah.
So in this manner it will work. And it is grade C, grade C. Okay.
Yeah.
And if true, grade D, so and so forth. Grade D, and here also exist. Makes sense. If means grade is not aligned to this, they will give a one common thing. Makes
Yeah.
sense.
Yeah.
So they will give a common thing, means where we will say okay, we can say this grade F and exit. Mean if it's a
Yeah.
false, no more cases there. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it's a final else part. True, false. True, answer false. Okay,
Yep.
these are the flow chart. These are also important important things which you need to know. Let me take this screenshot or take a save this. So this is for this. If you talk about the flow control of switch,
Hmm.
they will check this way. You can say they will have a one condition,
Hmm.
and for that condition you have a, let's say, a. Okay, value is a. Makes sense.
Yeah.
And you will check a cases. Let's say if a is 10. Let's say a is 10. Makes sense.
Yes.
Then you will do this thing. Makes sense.
Yep.
If a is, you can say this, uh, 20, then you will do this thing. Means condition is 1, but based on a case, you can, you are checking that.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
So let's say we need to check switch Okay. And switch A. Makes sense. And here we will say case. Case, let's say 1. Print console dot log January. Okay.
Yeah.
And K2 dot console dot log February. Okay. Here, if you will not, if something is not land, then there is a default case. Okay.
Yeah.
But what you need to do, if you run now, makes sense. Like earlier, you do a experiment with the, earlier you did an experiment with the if condition, multiple if condition.
Yes.
Same thing happened here. If you not apply a break, makes sense. Means you are saying, hey, we whatever we require, we will go to that. Don't move ahead. Makes sense.
Okay. So
Don't
it's
move ahead.
like it's gonna go out.
Yes, go out.
Yes.
Okay. Let's say A is 1. Okay. So here January. Okay.
Yeah.
2. Okay. Now you are able to see the February. Makes sense.
So what is happening over here?
The whatever case is matching, it's giving a solution based on that printing.
Yeah.
Earlier, let's say this one is there.
Hmm.
Then you are able to see it printing January.
It's saying invalid month of January. Yeah.
If you will have a, if we are checking 2 only, 3, valid month. So no match is there. Am I right?
Yeah.
Any question or concern?
So over here, whatever the month is according to the case number, it's just showing the case number, right? One or two.
It will, yes, it will execute the case. Whatever case is matched, it will execute that condition.
Okay. Okay. And for the default, it's something like else.
Yes, else, if nothing is matched.
Nothing is the match. That's gonna return, right?
Yes.
Like for this January, February, and invalid, we can also do this using if equal 1, then it's gonna be January, or it's gonna be if
But,
equal 2, it's gonna be February.
but, but
Yeah.
we are there in a grade, we are checking a different condition.
Yes.
But here we are not checking a different condition. Makes sense. We are have a only one value and we are just checking that. What is the value there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you have any concern or question or clarity required?
Yeah. Just one thing over here. The way you are printing the January and February, we can also do this with if and else conditions, right?
But okay, let's try to do that. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's say if
If a equal to 1, then it's gonna print January. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say.
But why? Which one is neat and clean? You will
I,
understand this. As well as you can do this, no worries. But which one is neat and clean? This one or this one?
I think second one.
Second one.
I
Then
think
you can go with then you can go with the second one only.
because
Because if something is there, there's some meaning.
yeah,
Makes sense.
yes,
Like for loop, three type of loops are there. You can do whatever means you can do whatever you can do with the if condition. Or sorry, for loop. You can do same thing with the while and do while loop.
yes,
Makes sense.
yep,
But why those are exist? What are the advantage? So advantage is this. Here you are doing this unnecessary condition check again and again.
yes,
Whatever changes here is a number only. Value is only changing. Why you require this? Makes sense.
yeah,
Because here these conditions are required to you. Okay.
yep,
And one more thing here. Let's say you want if you can say this is either 2 or let's say 3 is mark. Okay, let's go run this to March or February. Okay.
yep,
So you can do this as well. You can attach multiple as well. That's not an issue.
okay,
Okay.
yep,
And you need to, in a JavaScript, we have a specific behavior. Okay.
mm,
Let me tell you though that behavior, truthy and falsy value. So this is a falsy value means false is false. Okay. 0, -0. You can say empty string, 0 and these are the you can say falsy value. Makes sense. If let's
yep,
say variable is a 0, and if you check that it will you can say it will a is a falsy. You understand?
yeah,
Means don't think means you can use only this true and false or condition here. If something give value not there, that's a falsy. That's also work like a false. Makes
so if
sense?
you like remove the zero in a,
Then also falsy because it's undefined.
yeah, right,
Well, let be for that. Because it's not their value is not there, so that means it's a falsy.
yeah,
Okay.
yes,
So this is also important point. Means
yeah,
most of the people confuse there, but I told you if let's say this value is empty, then also falsy. Okay.
yeah,
And let's say if it's a null, then also falsy. -0 also falsy. Makes sense?
yeah,
So now let me have this. Let me type this some number. Which is assignment um, prime number, but we switch case assignment should be your this print day of the week based on a 1 to 7. Print month based on a 1 to 12. Okay. Print season based on a month number. Okay. Print grade based on a B, C, D, E. Okay.
Yep.
Print a type of triangle based on the length of their side. Print type of character based on a sky code value. Okay. So I think so these are enough for you.
Yeah.
So you already have a lot of work do pending work.
Yes.
So you gone through the theory by your own. If you have any question or concern, feel free to ask. Okay.
Good.
Or if you don't have a time, then we will do together. No worries. Done for to statements. And in the next class, we will continue with our loops and jumping statement.
Okay.